Hello, Miss. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Rani Angmarai.
In which class do you read?
I read in grade 2.
Okay. Are you ready to answer some questions?
Yes, sir.
Which is the biggest district in Nepal?
Tulpa.
Which animal has the largest number of teeth?
Dog.
What is the lightest thing in the world?
Air.
Good. Who is known as the living lion of Nepal?
Amar Singh Thapa.
Amar Singh Thapa. Very good. Which animal sleeps without closing the eyes?
Rabbit.
Who is the first person to step on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Good. Which is the largest lake in Nepal?
Rara.
Rara. Very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.